We had a single mother. She had recently spun out on the snow with her car and smashed into a curb sideways. And she had neck and back pain, and she was treating with a chiropractor and a massage therapist at the time of a second accident. And at the second accident, she was T-boned. And the insurance company maintained that there was no way that we could tell what injury was from the first accident and what injury was from the second accident. Being that I was a former chiropractor, I was able to look at the doctor's notes and the examination and the imaging studies, and I was able to show the insurance company that there was evidence. And the insurance company took a very hard stance and wasn't going to, let alone settle the case out of court. They were going to fight me in court. And I was able to illustrate what the difference was between the first accident and the second accident and how the injuries were distinct and separate. And we settled that case out of court for several $100,000. First things that I always tell potential clients is to not talk to the at-fault insurance company. There is nothing that you need to tell them right up front. The at-fault insurance company has no legal obligation to pay you anything. Everything that you're going to be telling them is going to be able to be used against you later on. They are trained in eliciting information from an automobile accident victim and then later misconstruing it to use it against the person who was injured through no fault of their own. My recommendation is never to talk to an at-fault insurance company, and as soon as you get hurt, to get legal advice if you believe you've been hurt in an automobile collision. If you're in an accident and you were injured at all, go get checked out. The types of structures that get injured, especially the small structures in your spine, when they get injured, it can take weeks or months for the injury to fully show up. If you wait until it gets to the point where you can't take the pain anymore and need to have drugs or surgery, by that time the insurance company can have ammunition to deny your claim. If you feel like you've been injured at all in an accident, you should go and get checked out as soon as possible.